Hey guys, back with another installation video. Have you ever installed something that you had no clue what it does? And I think this is gonna be that video where I'm gonna install something, have no clue if it works or it doesn't work. I just saw this on YouTube and I thought I'd try it out. It's from valve cover, valvecoverbreathers.com. That's where I got it from. I'll give you a little close-up of it. But it's a pretty cool item. Let me open it up here. That's what it is. Right there. Okay, it's pretty cool. Right, so let me go back there and unbox this thing completely. Comes with a keychain, which I'm probably going to attach to my kill switch. A little sticker. Valve covers. Valvecoverbreathers.com. And this is what it looks like. This is supposed to go in the oil cap. And that's how I saw it installed on YouTube. It's a pretty cool item. So it's made of two pieces. This piece right here that has a ball stopper in it. Right, this one. There's a ball in it. I guess to prevent any liquids from passing through, but air can pass through. And of course the filter, right? The filter right here. So it's made of stainless steel. It's pretty cool looking. And I'll show you how to install it. And I have no idea what it does or how it works. You might have to Google how it works. But somebody who understands how this works, can you comment below if you know how this works, so I can also be educated about it. But I think it's just a cool item. That's why I got it. So let's go ahead and install it, and I'll show you how it's done. So it's supposed to go in the oil cap right here. So I got my gloves on because I don't want to wash my hands anymore. Right? This is the oil cap, so you can see, and it looks like the same. So we'll install it. There you go. And then you put this up. Just like so. And make sure you keep this, because just in case you want to put it back again, you have it. So that's how it is. This is how it looks like. Not exactly sure how it works. It kind of looks cool. Kind of goes along with the themes of the blues all over my engine bay. So it's time to test it out and go for a drive. I don't think, you know, it's going to do anything, but comment below if you actually know how this works or what it's for. It covered my valve, I know that, or not valve, the oil filler area. So I guess it's supposed to vent something when it comes to this high compression engines, right? Vent something through these filters right here, let it breathe. That seems to be what I think it is, but the exact purpose, I really don't know. For the same reason that this exists right here, right? This one. I know this is also a breather that goes back into the cold air intake for emission purposes, I believe. So I think that's the purpose of that, and couldn't hurt anything. I see a few Hellcat owners have this on them, so I figured I'd try it. But it looks kind of nice. Let me get that camera to get you a close-up look of that one. Oh, that's what it looks like. A close-up. It's kind of neat. Yeah. So now I just need a little thumbnail photo for this one. Something like that. So here it is, fully installed. Supposed to be a oil filler breather. So if you know exactly what it does, comment below. And if you enjoy this type of videos, click the thumbs up, share and subscribe. Have more videos to come. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it all. Bye for now.